In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Apple ID profile picture on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. After that, tap right here at the very top at your name to go to Apple ID Settings. And after that, tap right here at your profile picture and it will show you all the options you can use to change it. Here we can tap at that button and that will activate camera, then we can flip it, then we can take a selfie and then set it as our current profile picture. Also we can use emojis, all this stuff, memojis and more. However, the best option for me is using a real picture, and to use it we need to tap right here to go to our camera roll, and from here we can choose any picture we would like to use, and after that we'll be able to set it right here as our current one. After that, just don't forget to hit add done here to save the changes. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.